Everyone, Nini here with an update on Thirdstaff. Just got done with a major upgrade to the entire product, particularly on usability, and it's about 2 a.m. So, thought before I go to sleep, I would give you guys an update on how things are looking and show you some of the agents that are on the platform now. So just to give you a recap on what Thirdstaff is, we're a platform that makes it super easy to take agents and workflows built on services like Anyden and make it actually easy for people to use them. Most workflows are created and people don't use them, but they're actually really useful. The dream is that eventually you have enough of these that people can solve most of their problems, right? But it has to be easy to use, right? And so I won't necessarily talk about how these agents are created. I'll show you a little bit about it, but I'll just kind of show you some of the functionality that we have now. So this is one agent that a builder built on our platform that can listen to chat messages, spin this up AirTop browser, and it can do things with the web. They actually built this on AN and they uploaded it to our platform. To connect to this should be simple via NAN, and I think it's simple, but a lot of people wouldn't. And so we've made it actually that simple to do so. And now, when you come onto our platform, you can actually use it and be and do things and have it actually interact and execute directly in our platform. And see out of all the executions and the data behind it, and kind of the path that it took to end and whether it works or not, right? So what can you do? So this agent could do browser session management, and this is just an example of one of the agents that you can have on the Thirdstaff platform and what it does. You can obviously look at the analytics and see how it executes and see all the details of past runs if you want to as well. Um, Another example agent is actually something that well, we have a couple of different agents here, PDF parser, and a bunch of other stuff. They're super cool. Again, all of these are super easy to run. Like I mentioned, um, it's super easy to get started just from directly from the workflow. But another one that's super interesting that someone posted on our platform is this joke workflow. And so what this workflow does is it receives a request and it generates a joke. And so Eric, my husband, and I were happy for 20 years, and then we met. Hilarious, right? I have a joke about Stack Overflow, but you would say it's a duplicate. It's also funny. Anyway, someone put this on our website. I thought that they were putting a joke workflow as a joke on our workflow on our website because they also made a fake account name. But I actually found it super amusing, so I started using it. And yeah, I wanted to use it and make sure that it worked, and it was actually really good for us testing the platform. So that was great. Um, there's another one. It doesn't quite work yet, but I'll show it to you guys anyway. The platform itself works, but it's actually there's an issue with the actual underlying nodes, but it's good to show you what things look like. So this one is one that actually generates a PDF from your resume, and so I'm just gonna drop something here and run test. And so that workflow, it sends through and it starts to process the execution, and that's going to take a little bit of time, right? While it's doing that, I'll just show you what it takes to set this workflow up. It took literally 5 minutes. I came in here, I had an OpenAI key. Thirdstaff itself actually is using our own OpenAI key, so you can just boom get through it, and you connect Gmail auth, and that's it. You don't got to do anything else. Everything else is taken care of behind the platform. So yeah. Anyway, the execution failed, which I already told you it was going to. But now you can see kind of where it failed, this failed, where it was converting the PDF to Gutenberg. And here are the errors. Obviously, uh, you know, as the end user, this isn't nice, but as the builder of these workflows, then we can fix these issues. And then once we have enough of these fixes, then this shouldn't be happening for end users. Anyway, cool. So just got done making sure that it works for this, and it literally just can work for the entire world of different types of agents and applications that people make. Um, and again, this is not a platform about making the workflows. You know, and it is an awesome platform for that. Go do it there. This is one about distributing it, make it super easy for people to use them. All right. Uh, Major updates. We're going to sleep now. Thanks, and hopefully this was cool. Appreciate it.